why do you like handheld? Why do you like the handheld X-ray? You've
Well,
used XTG, so why do you like handheld in general? And then specifically, what do you like about the XTG?
I think so. As a pediatric dentist, we struggle every single day with taking good films, and sometimes the struggle is sometimes it's our own lack of training, our staff lack of training, but quite often it's also the patient. You know, a 2-year-old or 3-year-old with dental caries that you can see that in the exam, it's not going to tell you, okay, now could you please take a couple of x-rays in my mouth and I want to open for 2 hours. I mean, you have a patient that behaves as a child. I mean, they don't behave, they are kids. So, you know, at the beginning when I opened my private practice, I'm a full-time faculty at Indiana University, and I worked the first couple of years in Indiana as an associate, working for a big dental office, and then I moved into my own office. We decided to centralize radiology in just one area of the office, which means that we will need to go with the patient, move the patient to the radiology suite and take the radiograph, but sometimes it's challenged with the little ones to sit down the patient and you know, use the x-ray head and align that. So sometimes it's kind of a difficult challenge. So I start to explore the options of having a handheld x-ray device, which really will be, the ideal device will be not too heavy. That will be a quality that I would love to have one. I also would like to have a handheld that is not too difficult to use and kind of simple buttons and simple operation, and in good quality that will deliver the x-ray that I need to generate the image, not need to take 20 to get one image. I was walking around the commercial exhibition and I saw his booth, and then he was in front of one of these, in my opinion, looked like a camera. And I like intraoral photography, so I stopped and I asked him, I didn't call him Brett, but I said, you know, this is a camera. And then he told me this is an a handheld x-ray device. And that really captured my attention. Remember my interest in radiation safety and all these things. So we chat for a few minutes, and then he showed me, I hold it, and here we go. I was looking for a handheld device for my office, and you know, I looked several, and just because my experience holding, and I said, okay, let's get that. So I have been using this product for the XTG for about, I would say, a year, if it's not a little bit longer than that. You know, the learning curve was almost zero. I mean, since first day, we have somebody who came and helped us to learn how to use it, which take about 5 minutes. So even if you are not a high-tech person, you know, just press a button, and obviously you can check the exposure time, you can change the time, and really the operation is pretty easy, and how to charge it, how to keep it clean, and how to do the maintenance. And then we start to use it, and really became something handy in my office, because when the kid is in the dental chair and we need to take a radiograph, which just happen quite often, rather than, you know, moving the patient all the way to the x-ray suite, and we just, you know, bring the XTG or x-ray to go, and we just take the film. So my assistance, you know, is easy to operate. Also, is not too heavy. You can actually with one hand, and the operations, you know, is not too complicated, and the quality of the radiographs is very good.